more exciting part of the town hall begins, and that's after town hall. So I'm going to bring down the slides and invite our great community members from Catalyst Swarm to come up and present. So Natalie, the floor is yours.
Hi, everyone. Wow, it's been a while, but it's so good to see so many familiar faces and names on the screen. So welcome to the Catalyst After Town Hall. Let's dive in and see what we have, what events are held throughout the week and the breakout rooms that are happening shortly after we're done. As you all may know, we have a growing global community of network filled with so many independent teams working together to adjust for the local languages, cultures, and perspectives, all aimed at building an inclusive ecosystem where anyone and everyone is welcome to join. So we condensed all the town halls, the meeting times, and the dates on the slide. And if you're interested in participating in any of the events, please take a further look on the slides or visit the Catalyst Swarm website for more information. Aside from the town halls that take place throughout the week, there are also so many community events being held as well. So there's the Gimbal Labs that takes place each Tuesdays at 1800 UTC, Cardano for Climate each Wednesdays at 1500 UTC, Swarm Sessions Saturdays at 1700 UTC, and Lido Nation each Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 3:30 a.m. UTC. Cardano Catalyst Women, you can find out all the event details through the link found on the slides. And Innovatio, they have a couple of events. So there's the Innovators Hall, there's the Inno Podcast, there's the Inno Talk, Proposal Helpers, and Discuss and Create. They also hold breakout rooms in the After Town Hall space as well. And if you would like to join the community, please make sure to scan the QR code. So the Voltaire era is here, and there are many community-hosted workshops, both virtually and in person. So I would recommend for you guys to go through the interactive map of workshop locations to see if there's any being held in your area. And if you want more information on those workshops, you can also visit the Gimbal Labs website. So the link is also found on the slides over here. If you'd want to host a breakout room, the process is very simple. You just have to scan the QR code or fill out the forms, and then you leave the rest up to us. And if you want your event on the Swarm event calendar, if you want any event to be added onto the Swarm event calendar, you can scan the QR code or fill out the forms. And if it's possible to give some buffer time in between, because there are no mechanisms set in place to quickly get that done. So it would be highly appreciated if you guys let us know prior to when it's happening. And now for the breakout rooms, there's the mini proposal workshop retrospective led by Tivo and Curtis, the Sala de Café led by Cardano, Hispanic and Portuguese community, the SIP 1694 is Decentralization Possible led by Kenrick, and Wolfram Dashboard led by Steph. There are also additional spaces for those who weren't able to sign up for a breakout room this week. Anyone can feel free to hop into the room and have a discussion of your preference. And that wraps up the After Town Hall space for today. For those of you watching on YouTube, please make sure to join us through the link found in the descriptions. And back to you, Daniel, for the final words.
Thank you, Natalie. Welcome back, and for another great After Town Hall introduction as well. So it's good to have you back.